Hi friends, welcome to my new YouTube channel Global Civil Engineers. Today I am going to show you how to calculate the quantity of materials, that is cement, sand and coarse aggregate in any grade of concrete. So guys, this video is very beneficial for civil engineering aspirants as well as for any person because you can apply this method easily to find out these quantities. So let's take an example of a concrete wall whose length is 5 meter and width is 1 meter and height is 2 meter. We know its volume would be length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height, that is 5 into 1 into 2 gives us 10 cubic meter, but this is the wet volume of the concrete wall. When we have to convert this into dry volume, we need to multiply this wet volume by 1.52. That gives us dry volume, that is equal to 15.2 cubic meter. Now for M15 grade of concrete, if we have to find the quantity of these materials in M15 grade of concrete, so what we need to do, guys, first of all you should know what M15 means. M15 means it is a mixture of cement, sand and aggregate in proportion 1:2:4. That is, cement is 1 part and sand is 2 part, aggregate is 4 part. Where 15 indicates its characteristic strength after 28 days is 15 Newton per mm square. So we know sum of ratios for this M15 is 1 plus 2 plus 4. 1 plus 2 plus 4 equal to 7. So let's find out quantity of cement. Quantity of cement, volume of cement we know is equal to dry volume multiplied by ratio of cement, here it is 1, divided by sum of ratios, that is 7. So when we see, we have already found out dry volume. Dry volume comes out to be 15.2 cubic meter multiplied by ratio of cement. The ratio of cement is 1, sum of ratios is 7, which gives us volume of cement to be equal to 2.17 cubic meter. Now if we have to find this volume of cement in kgs, what we need to do, we should multiply this volume by 1440. That is, this 1440 is the density of cement, that is 1440 kg per meter cube. Now when we multiply this with this, we calculate it to be 3125 kg. Now if we have to find out how many bags this 3125 kg of cement is, we should divide this quantity by 50 kg because we know the weight of one bag of cement is 50 kg and it calculates to be 62.5 bags for such a wall whose dimensions are 5, 1 and 2. Now let's find out volume of sand. For finding out volume of sand, we have to do the same method. First to write dry volume, multiply this with ratio of sand, divide by sum of ratios. Here ratio of sand is, you can see it is 2. So we write 2 here, 2 divided by 7, sum of ratios is 7, and it calculates out to be 4.34 cubic meter. Now in the same way you can find out volume of aggregate, that is dry volume into ratio of aggregate divided by sum of ratio. Here ratio of aggregate is, in case of M15 grade of concrete, is 4. So it comes to be 15.2 multiplied by 4 divided by 7, that is equal to 8.69 cubic meter. Similarly, you can find the quantity of cement, sand and aggregate for other grades of concrete also. For example, for M20 grade of concrete, use ratio 1:1.5:3, and for M25 grade of concrete, you can use the ratio as 1:1:2 and follow the same steps as done in case of M15 grade of concrete. Thank you for watching the video.